Hey everybody, Dave with Dave Life Adventures. No, actually, this is Clopper with Clopper Life Adventures. Hey, I thought I'd come on here and show a tip for you all. I've got my Lippert window, and this, by the way, applies to anybody that has one of these Lippert windows that has the little levers here to open and lock them in and so forth. Just ignore this piece here. That is not normally on your window. And so I've got also the van made shades here. So I've got the screen down right now so you can see what's going on. But most of the time when you open this up, you will leave it, and then when you're done, you'll come back and lock it in. Well, what a lot of people do not know or realize is there's actually a groove right here that you can, instead of coming all the way in, you go right there and lock it in right there. That leaves the window in a cracked open position, and then you can just lock in the rest of those, and you can leave it in that position as you drive, and it gets you a little bit of breeze going as you are going down the road. That is a safe locked in position, and it should not do anything to mess up the window. That being said, if you are going down a dusty trail or something like that, you're gonna get dust inside. So just be aware of that. But this is what I do when I need a little bit of breeze, especially for the dog, and I'll put up my shade in the back, and then I'm ready to go. So I hope this is helpful to you. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any other ideas that you would like to share as it relates to this position. But this also works for all the other windows like this. And in the Tiffin GH1, there's one in the bedroom area. And then if you have the adventure bar, it has a small window like that as well. So I hope this is helpful. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. And Clopper says bye.